Welcome back to the channel. If you are here, sit tight because we are continuing on our journey of taking $1,000 to $10,000 in 12 months, where we are moving on to taking that $10,000 to $25,000 in another 12 months time, so that we can be trading on the stock market limitlessly, right? So if you are interested to taking this amount of money, traveling with it, and then making it to a $25,000 account where you can trade on the stock market unlimited and making your monies your $1,000 per day trading, then you want to sit tight and watch till the end of this video. I'll be right back.
Income streams, they start to flow. From determination, they grow.
So I said anybody can trade on the stock market no matter the capital that you have, and we want to take this opportunity and use the stock market as our platform to making our millions, where we can retire rich, and not retire rich and old, but we want to retire rich and young, where we can enjoy the money that we have so much worked hard for. So if you are new to the channel, you want to sit tight and then subscribe. And for the well builders who have returned to view subsequent videos, I appreciate you a million. Continue to like and then to subscribe. Continue to like and leave your comments, and I'll be glad to answer them. So we're going to go straight to our Excel sheet to continue to looking at how we are driving the 1,000 and then making profits on top of the 1,000 and trading based on profit and not on capital again, where we are now accumulating money towards our 10,000. If you are interested, let's dive down to it. Okay, so we are here on... We are looking at our week 3 and week 4. Okay, you remember last week we ended at week 2. So this week we are looking at week 3 and then week 4 to end our first month of trading, taking only 3 trades per week. So we look at here, the last time, week 2, we ended with 1,383, meaning that we made profit of 383 on our $1,000 account. So we start with 3 with that one. And so we have used our 371 to trade. These have been rounded up. So 371 to trade. And then the same percentage that we are hoping to make, and that is 30%, we end up making a profit of 111, and we add that to our capital. But here we don't want to increase our trading capital again. I mean, the amount we used to enter the trade. So we maintain the 371, because usually I'm taking us through this challenge to look at what I practically do myself. I'm not teaching something that I don't do, right? So I hardly use 400 to enter into an options trade for now. So I would take you through the same process. So that's why I've limited this, even though we have made profit more than 371, but we are still limiting our trades to this same amount that we'll be using to trade as the days go by. So we have entered into week 3, and our first day of the week we have made 111, and the second the same, the third the same. And remember, if you didn't watch the previous video, we started with an introductory video talking about how we can take $1,000 to $10,000, and then we made another progress of actually starting with the $1,000. That was the first episode. Then this is the second episode, and we are starting with the week 3, and this, at the end of week 3, we have made our capital plus our profit has come to $1,717. Now we move to week 4, and week 4 is interesting. So what happens in week 4 is that we enter into the same trades, making the same percentages, and then ending up with the same profits. But then our trading capital and profit has become $2,051, meaning that we have doubled on our $1,000 account. Here is interesting because when we get to this point, remember, all that we have been trading with is 371. But you see, sometimes you lose trades. So that's why I don't want to venture with our capital for now. But at this point, we want to do something interesting. And what we want to do is that we want to use 500, we want to take 500 out of our 2,051 and then buy some shares, and then we can leave those shares running whilst the amount is left with 1,551, and then we take some to trade, and then we watch the amount grow. So as we go along, we invest some, and then we keep what we need to be trading to make our profits, as we trade along. Okay, so like I said, here we want to trade, we want to be as practical as possible. We want to take risk management into consideration. We want to take our own needs into consideration, because we are not just going to trade and leave the amount being in the account. We will practically withdraw some to enjoy it, and then we can still have some to invest in shares, whilst we still have some to trade options, whilst we still have certain capital in case something happens. All right. So when we move down to February, and okay, so we move down to the second month, you will realize that we'll make some withdrawal over there. There's some $300 here that we want to withdraw and then enjoy ourselves as we trade along, buy shares, get dividends, and then we trade options and still have spare money sitting in the account in case there's an opportunity. We don't want any opportunity to come up and then we don't have money to take advantage of. All right, so this is how we're going to be driving our 1,000 to making our 10,000, and driving the 10,000 to making our $25,000 in our trading account, where we are trading 3, 4, 5, 10 times a day throughout the week, except there are holidays. All right, we will be buying shares, we'll be earning money from the shares that we buy by getting dividends from them. We will be getting profit from the appreciation of the prices of the shares, whilst we are trading options and making money, making profits from the options trading, and then further investing such monies into some of these shares and in dividend paying stocks. Now you have to tell me why we cannot make our millions to retire rich and then to retire young. Once again, I would ask that if you are new to the channel, you would like to subscribe to the channel, because you don't want to miss the tips and tricks and strategies that we'll be using on this channel that we can use to make our millions trading on the stock market, and then, creating our income passively and actively to retiring rich and retiring young. I will see you at the top.
Start today. Learn to hustle, find a way. Brick by brick you build it right, from the morning through the night. Dreams are growing step by step, every fall a future pep. No experience, just a heart, that's the way you got to start.